Hello children, all of you are doing good. So this is our second exercise, hands-on or exercise session for Indian number system for larger numbers. So what we are going to cover today, we are going to cover place value, how to identify the place value for a specific digit in a given numeral, how to expand a number using place values, or if any number is already expanded, how to compact that number. So all these things already I have covered with examples in my lecture session, for what the link is given in the description section below in this particular video. What I suggest you go through that video first and then you come to this exercise. It will be easier for you to understand. Okay, so let's start it. So before we start the exercise, look into the place value chart up to 10 crores. Once again, all these things already I have covered, but still. So what is the last row from top to bottom, or from bottom to top, what is the first row? So for each position, these are the value of place. What we have already explained, to identify the place value for a digit, what you need to do, you need to multiply the face value for that place with the value of place. So these are value of place: 1 for ones, 10 for tens, 100 for 1000, 1000 for 1000, 10,000 for 10,000, 1 lakh for 1 lakh, 10 lakhs for 10 lakh, 1 crore for 1 crore, and 10 crore for 10 crore. So all these digits, these are the value of place for each of the places. So number 3, give the expanded form of the following numbers. So number 3, give the expanded form of the following numbers. Expanded form means you need to expand using place value. Okay, so for each of the digit from left to right, you need to identify in which place it is there, because once you identify the place, then only you can multiply that face value with the value of place for that particular place. So now here we can see first period, second period, third period. After third period, it is 1 crore. First digit is 1 crore, right? So under 1 crore you have 1. So you will write down 1 is the face value. And what is the value of place for crore? 1 crore, it is 1 crore. So it will be 1 crore into 1 crore. So, and also I have explained for larger numbers how we will write down. 1 crore means you will, for simplicity, what you will do, you will write down like this. How you will write down? 1 is under crore, third period, first digit, crore, 1 crore. So 1, it is crore, 1. You will assume the first digit as ones, right? Right? So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore. 2 is under lakhs period. So first digit is 2 is under 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. So 2 into 10 lakhs. So the name already suggests you what is the value of place. Under 10 lakhs is the position place. That means you need to multiply with 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs into 2 means 20 lakhs. What you will do? 20 lakhs, 20. Then you will write down tens, 100, 1000, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It is 20 lakh. So 20 you will assume ones, tens, 100, 1000, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So now you check it: ones, tens, 100, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. So under 10 you have 2, right? Then it is 8. 8 is under 1 lakh. So how will you write down? 8, then lakh, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 8 lakh. Plus 1 is for 10,000. So 1 into 10,000, that means 10,000. 10, then 0, 0, 0. And here also you need to put the period. 1 crore, 20 lakh, 80,000, 10,000, sorry, 20 lakh, 8 lakh, sorry, it is 8 lakh, 8 lakh, 10,000, then it is 4 is under 1000, so plus 4,000, comma, plus 600, plus tens is 0, plus ones. I will do another one. This is very simple. So first period, second, so ones, tens, 100, 1000, so last period it is crore. First period, second period, third period, it is crore. So 2 crore. 2 is under 10 crores. First digit is 1 crore in crores. First one is right to left. 1 crore, then 2 crore. 2 is under 10 crores. So 2 into 10 crores, that means 20 crores. Plus 4. 4 is under 1 crore. That means 4 crore. 4 crore, then 10 lakh, 1 lakh, period. 10,000, 1,000, period. 100, tens, 0, ones. Then 1 is in the second period, it is 10 lakhs. So lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 10 into 1, face value is 1, 10 lakh is value of place. So 10 into 1, 10 lakh. 10 lakh, period, then 1000, 10,000, 1,000. Hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. 6 under lakh, right? Ones, tens, 100. This is second period, first digit. This is lakh. So 6 is the face value. What is the value of place? It is 1 lakh. So 6 lakh. 6, comma, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Then 5. It is in the first period. Under 10,000, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 5 is the face value, 10,000 is value of place, 50,000. 5 into 10, 50,000. 50,000 after 1,000 period, 0. It is 100, tens. 1,000 means always zeros, 50,000. 6 is under 1,000. So 6 into 1,000, 6,000. 700. 7 into 100, 700, 8 into 10, 80, plus 2 into 1, 2. Okay, this is very simple. Last one I am doing. 3. So it is third period, 3 under 10 crores. That means 30 crores. 30 crores, period, 10 lakhs, 1 lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. 2. 2 is under crore. So 2 is face value 1 crore, 2 crore. 2, 10 lakh, 1 lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 0, 0, 0, 10, 100, tens and ones. 0, it is 10 lakhs. 5, it is in 1 lakh. So 5 lakh. 5 into 1 lakh, 5 lakh. 5, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and zeros. Then 2 in 10,000. So 2 into 10,000, 20,000, 20,000. 0 in 1,000, 0. Plus 6 into 100, 600, plus 0, plus 0. Done. So that is how you need to expand the number using place values. Now we will do how to, the number already expanded, you need to compact the form. How will do it? I already explained in the class. When I have taken the class, there already I have explained. So please go through the video in the description section below. Whatever link is given in the description section below. So it is, you will just see in which place it is there, just put the number. So 2 it is first period, second period, third period. So in third period, first digit is 1 crore, second digit is in 10 crores, right? So you will write down 2 in 10 crores. After 10 crores, you have 1 crore. Is there anything in crore? It is first period, second period, third period. First digit 1 crore. That means under 1 crore. So just for each of the expanded place values, you just see in which place the digit is given. You just write down that digit and then you check whether the next digit it is present in the place value or not. So 2 it is there in that. First of all, identify the period, first period, second period, third period. In the third period itself, first digit is 1 crore, second place is 10 crores. So under 10 crores you have 2, you write down 2. After 10 crores, what should be there in the place value chart? As per the place value chart, it is 1 crore. So do you have anything in 1 crore? First period, second period, third period, first digit. Yes, you have in 1 crore. So 26, right? Okay. So now it is after 1 crore, what it is? It should be there in 10 lakhs. Do you have anything? So first period, second period. In second period, you have in the 10 lakhs position, it is 8. So write down 8. We'll put the period later on. After 10 lakhs, it should be 1 lakh. Is there anything? Yes, in the second period, first digit it is there. So write down it is 4. After 1 lakh, it should be in the 10,000. It is there? Yes. In the first period, second digit is 10,000. It is there too. First period, first digit 7, it is there. Then in 300, it is 3. In tens, you have 5, right? So ones, tens, 100, you have 3, 3. Then after 100, you have tens, 5 it is tens, and 6 is its ones. So now what you need to do, you need to put the period. First 3 digit, it is ones, tens or units or ones. After that you have 1000. So after first period, after 1000, 1000, 10,000. Then second is lakh. After lakh, 1 period. 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Then crore and 1 crore, 10 crore. So another period here. So what is the number? First period, second period, third period. So 26 crore. This one 84 lakh. This one 27,356. Next one, compact. I will come to C. So identify the period first. First period, second period, third period. Third period, second digit 5. That means in 10 crores it is 5. So is there anything in 1 crore? Let's see. First period, second period, third period. Right? In third period, first digit 7. That means 7 is in 1 crore. Put the period here. After 1 crore, you should be there 10 lakh. Is it there? First period, second period. Second period, second digit means 10 lakh. So it is 5. 1 lakh, it is there. First period, second period, first digit 6. 6 is in 1 lakh. Put 1 period. So 1 period after crores, 1 period after lakhs. Then it should be 10,000. Is it there? First period, second digit, it is 8. That means 8 is in 10,000. Just look into the place period first, and then in the period, within the period in which place the value it is there, first place or second place, right? Then it is after 10,000, it should be 1,000. It is there? Yes, it is there. 3,000. Once 10, so 3 it will be there. So after 1,000, another period. Then 100 should be there. Yes, 100, 1. Just put the value, face value, right? So 90. Once tens. In tens, you have 9. 9. After tens, it is 1, 2. Right? Now I will do another example. Let's see this example. So first period, second period, third period. Second digit 6. That means third period, second digit means first digit is, first one is 1 crore, second one is 10 crore. So 6 it is there. 6. In 1 crore, do you have anything? Let's see. It is 0. No. So that means in 1 crore it is 0. And after 1 crore, you have 1 period, crores. Then it should be 10 lakh. Is there anything? Second period, second period means lakhs. First period 1000, second period lakhs. Second period first digit is 1 lakh, second digit is 10 lakhs. So 8. It is in 10 lakhs. Is there anything in 1 lakh? Let's see. Second period first digit. That means 1, it is 1 lakh. After lakh, 1 period. Then it should be 10,000. It is there? Yes. First period, second digit, it is 4. That means 4 is in 10,000. 4. In 1,000, is there anything? No. 0. That means 1,000 is 0. Then put 1 period here. Then in 100, is there anything? No. 0. In tens, ones tens, it is 8, and then in ones 1. So if there is nothing mentioned, that means you cannot leave any place blank. What I have told you while I have explained also from number name to numeral. If any place is not mentioned, that means you need to put 0 there, right? So what is the number name? If I say first period, second period, third period. In third period, in crores it is 60 crores. Second period, lakhs, 81 lakh. The first period, thousands, 40,000. So 60 crore, 81 lakh, 40,000, 81. That's it. Okay. And for any specific place digit, if we need to write down the place value, that also you can do. Let's say 7. Write the period and place value of the underlined digits. We have done already the period part in the earlier video. Here we will write down the place value for the underlined digit. So 6 is in third period. Underlined digit is 6, it is in third period. Third period means, and on the third period it is the first digit, that means 1 crore. So 6 is the face value. What is the value of the place? 1 crore. So 6 into 1, that means 6 crore. 6 crore. 6 crore means equals to 6, comma, 10 lakh, 1 lakh, comma, 10,000, 1,000, comma, 110 zeros. 6 is in third period, second digit, that means 10 crore. Right? You can write, you can do like this: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore. But you don't need to do. Wastage of time. You just look into the period. Third period means crores. In the crores, first digit is 1 crore, but it is underlined digit is second digit. That means 10 crores. 6 is in 10 crores. So if the face value of 10 crores place, it is 6. That means the place value will be 6 into 10 crore. That means 60 crore. 60 crore. So how will write down 60 crore? 60, comma, 10 lakh, 1 lakh, comma, period, 10,000, 1,000, period, 100, tens, ones. Another one I am doing E. 4 is in second period and second digit. Second period first digit is 1 lakh, second period second digit is 10 lakhs. So 4 is in 10 lakhs position. So 4 is the face value, and 10 into 10 lakhs means 40 lakh. 40 lakh. That means 40 period, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Right? So that is how you need to expand any number using place values. You can be asked to write down the place value for a specific digit in a numeral, or the expanded form is given, you need to write down the compact form. But please, so I hope you understood and it's very clearly explained, right? So look into my class also, and then you look into the exercise section. So if you have liked this particular exercise, then please click on the like button, or if you would like to have this kind of video again and again, please click on the please subscribe my channel. Click on the subscribe button. Okay, thank you very much.